This is the Osctor all-in-one 15-color travel watercolor set with Crossbody Bag that the company was so kind and sent me to give a try and put in a review for. So this is what it came with. You can see the crossbody bag here. It came with a nice strap inside the bag in this back pouch right here. So I'm just going to set this off to the side and I'll show it more in depth at the end. What I wanted to do is show you the supplies that it came with. First, it came with two of these watercolor water pens, and they're very easy to use. You just screw off the tip of it here and fill this reservoir with water, and then you'll screw it back on, and you can give it a gentle squeeze and the water will come out of the tip here, and you can use that as you're painting to have some continuous water flow. This one is a finer tip, and this one here is a little bit bigger of a fine tip, holds a bit more water as well. It also comes with this paintbrush here, which is a nice flat tip for washes and whatnot. And then it also comes with this cup for water, which I like to be able to kind of rinse off the tip of these brushes in between colors that I'm using. It also folds up nicely. If you just turn it upside down and you press the bottom, it usually will collapse pretty easily. But of course, while I'm trying to do this on a live video, of course, it's not going to want to cooperate, but here we go. And then it just sits nicely in there, has a nice lid. And then it also comes with a spray bottle here, as you can see, so you can do some misting if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and just wipe up this little bit of water that I spilled. And then over here, it comes with this beautiful sketchbook. It has watercolor paper in it that's highly textured, really beautiful. As you can see, I did do some painting in it. I did some swatches here of some of the watercolors that it came with. Did a little watercolor painting here. We had some fun on TikTok Live this morning as I painted this and showed everybody. In the back, it's got this pocket for your little things that you can pick up while you're out in the field and just, finding inspiration, whether it be leaves or flowers that you might want to bring home and press for later. And it's got this little bookmark in the center so you can always find your place and pick up where you left off. Another thing it comes with is the watercolor palette itself, which is magnetic, and it fits nicely because it's so small in the bag itself or in a separate purse that you might want to carry. And what I also find really nice about it is that it's magnetic on the sides. So if you wanted to, you could take this and hold it together easily like that. Or in my case, what I did was I put it right here on the sketchbook and then clipped it to the sketchbook itself like that so that I could hold it and sketch and mix as I went. So I found that really helpful. So I just thought overall this was a really great set. The pigments had a nice payoff on them. They had really beautiful granulation, as you can see. The red in particular had some nice larger granulation. Some of the other ones had smaller granulation, but overall really beautiful. They had nice payoff. They went on smooth and really just really beautiful watercolors. I would highly recommend this to anybody who's looking to get into watercolors or looking to gift someone something who is artistic or looking to get into something that's artistic that wants something on the go. And like I said, it comes with this nice little bag over here. So it's got several pouches. It's got 3 to be exact. So it's got this one in the back. I would think that maybe the sketchbook could go in the center. I'm going to just kind of put some things in random places and see where they fit best. Because I'm thinking if somebody wants to travel with their phone, maybe they'd want to leave the back pouch open. So let's try putting this one in the front. And I'm guessing maybe these actually would need to go in the back pouch here. And probably this would need to go there too. And let's try putting this in here with it. Or let's see, maybe we can put this one. Let me scooch this one over just a little. Let's see if we can put this in here. Probably not. this can go in here. Zip that up. I'm going to leave the sketchbook by itself because I don't want the water to get on the sketchbook. And instead, we'll just turn this to the side like this, and you are all set and ready to go. And then, of course, you can put this on and adjust it as you see fit. And I just think this is such a cool bag. Oh, and let me not forget to show you this part too. It's got this nice little elastic band, so if you've got something that you want to stick it on like this, you absolutely could do that as well. So overall, I think this is a great little kit to either get for yourself or gift to someone who is looking to get into watercolor, or even just have a little bit of a creative streak that they're looking to just take with them somewhere, or even just keep in their room and do for fun, or you know, give to somebody at a birthday party. And it's just a fun little thing to have. So give this a try, and I hope you have fun painting.